Hello guys, Steve here, ShenRC. It's time to build the Fire Dragon. I know a lot of guys don't dig these buggies, but I think it's cool. So we're going to build it. I got the Spectrum SLT3 radio I'm putting in there. And there she is. Let's start the build. Alright guys, here's a tip to make your shocks work the best they can. When you fill this up to the top with oil, with the shaft out like how you do when you move them up and down, when you want to put your cap on, you want to push the shock bottom in like almost 75% of the way. You'll see the oil raise. Then you want to get your seal, put it on there, and the oil will come out. Then put your cap on, just like that. And now when you have it, when you push your shock down and up, it don't come out. See how it stays in? That's how you want it. Well guys, that's it. The Fire Dragon's complete. This is so cool. A lot of people don't like these, but I don't know, I like it a lot. I think it looks really good. Check it out. That's nice. It was a fun build. It was pretty easy. And I know I have the Super Hot Shot, and this is supposed to be the newer four-wheel drives that they came out with. It's supposed to be better. So we'll have to see how it works. I did try a little lighter weight oil I had in the shocks, but still it feels like it's too thick. Like I want to use like 15 or 10 in it maybe. It's all stiff, the diffs, because I put anti-wear grease in them. But she looks like a beauty. Let's take off the body and look at the chassis. One thing I like about this one is it got this clear cover on it, and you could see it. Everything right inside's cool. The drive shaft and all the ESC and everything. I also like the battery, the way it comes out. You just tilt that and go like that, and your batteries go right in. Just like that. Real easy. That's a cool feature on it. That's the build. That's what it looks like. This body. Don't quite have my camera right, but you could see it, I guess. I'm only running the kit motor now. I'm probably going to upgrade that like I always do to a 20 turn. I also got to get a steel pinion gear. I put the stock one in for now. Fun build. Body came pre-painted, cut out and everything, which was nice. I didn't have no problems with it. Everything went together nice. I like the steering tie rods on this one. They got the adjustable linkage. You could adjust the toe in and toe out real easy with a wrench. This cover's neat. It goes on with one screw like I said, and then it pops out under there, so if you want to push it to the side and work on it, which is cool, then you just slide it back and you just get this tip piece here and put it under like that. Well, that's it. We'll have to get it out and run it. The weather's bad. This also has a front sway bar on it. Nothing in the rear, just in the front. So that's cool. I hope you enjoyed the build. I know I did. I really like this one. I may have to get that silver one also, and the other weird saint one. These look neat. I know I'm a freak like that and like crazy stuff. Lots of people don't like them, but I do. If you like it, guys, if you like how it turned out, please leave me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Nice to have you aboard. And all my shenanigans, thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support. And thank you for all the nice comments. Please hit the thumbs up, hit the bell, do whatever you can. It helps me out. We'll have to get this sucker out on the road and see how it runs. I hope it's going to run like a beauty. It sure looks like it. It looks a lot more sophisticated than the super hot shot I have. It looks more modern, but still classic. We'll have to see how she goes. I don't want to beat her up too hard, but she looks so good. Thanks, guys, for watching. Shen RC, I'll see you next time. See you guys.